Right guys, so today we are going to a windmill. I've got Stuart the Terrible with me, aka Mr. Crabman, just over there. See, Crabman's doing his normal thing. It's an absolutely lovely sunny day here, and we shall be slowly walking up. We've just parked just down there. You can see old Betsy the van. And now we're starting the long ass walk up. It's one thing I definitely got to say. I bloody hate walking, especially up these bloody hills. Just look at the view though. Absolutely unbelievable. Who was to know this is on our doorsteps? Absolutely amazing. As you can see guys, after a hellishly long walk, we have finally come to the windmill. Alright, so we've just come across some weird little building. There's one over there as well. The view from up here, absolutely unbelievable. There's Stuart. Absolutely killed us doing that. I think this is an old gunning platform from World War II. There we go. And there's the gun bit, where the gun would have sat, going out to defend Britain. That's absolutely amazing. Right guys, we have literally just reached the peak of the hill. It's absolutely beautiful up here. As you can see the sunglasses, you can see the windmill right next to me. There is the beautiful, beautiful windmill. And look at the view around here. We're on the highest peak. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that pathway carved out in the trees over there. That's crazy. Here we are guys, we've finally come up to there. That's where we are if anyone wants to know. There is parking about 1.5 miles away. Just look at how beautiful it is here. Right guys, we've just had the drones up. Hope you enjoyed the footage. We are now starting our descent back down to the van to hopefully move on to Amberley. So stay tuned for that for another video. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also go and check my Crabman friend out, Stuart Allen, the photographer and drone pilot on YouTube. Thank you very much everyone. As you can see, Crabman is making his final appearance. As you can see around here, it is absolutely gorgeous where we are right now. So please, please, please don't forget to support the channel, like and subscribe. Cheers, bye. making YouTube. Right guys, hopefully this lovely chinook will be going over here. Oh, it is.
Sick.
Yes!